My name is Vinay Gidwani. I'm an associate professor in the Department of Geography, Environment and Society. And I also have a joint appointment with another undergraduate program on campus called the Institute for Global Studies. Geography at universities is a very different creature than the way you encounter it in high schools. One question you might ask as a geographer is, why is Minneapolis where it is? How did the city of Minneapolis emerge? How are places connected to each other? What is the impact of events in one place on other places? The awareness of economic activity, why things are where they are and not somewhere else, is the kind of question that economic geographers, for example, might ask. You want to study processes that are happening around your world so that you can understand your world better. You want to be able to do it in ways that are interesting, but that are also practical, which is to say that you're able to acquire a set of skills that can perhaps help you confront the problems that face our world. Right now I'm working on a project in South Asia on cities and waste. The sheer volumes of waste are threatening to simply take over cities in many instances, but there's a whole sort of army of people who make a living by disposing this waste. So for example, think of yourself as a scavenger. You're going around and what you're looking for is things that can be salvaged, that you can then segregate and sell. In many ways, what these scavengers are doing are giving both an economic but also an ecological subsidy to cities through their work, which is mostly invisible, often stigmatized. Without their salvage work, cities would simply be overcome with garbage. I teach a class regularly called Geography of the World Economy. I also teach another class called Debating Development, which is about how development can go about addressing poverty and inequality. If you just want, the kind of appetizers sort of course to geography, you can take a course called Our Globalizing World, Geography 1301. Which introduces some of the kind of basic approaches in geography and what are the kinds of things that geography studies. Geography at universities it's actually mind-blowing. And the geography program at this university is one of the oldest programs in the nation and also one of the best.